All right, the drink we're about to make is called Caribbean Madras. Go ahead and put some ice in a mixing glass and measure out 2 ounces of dark rum. There's 1 and 2. And we're going to follow that up with equal parts of cranberry juice and orange juice. There's our cranberry juice, and here's our orange juice. And just take your shaker, give it a couple of shakes, just enough to get everything mixed together. Set up your glass and pour it in. And we can garnish that with a cherry and an orange. Add a straw, and you have yourself a great beach cocktail, the Caribbean Madras. Enjoy this one while you're on the beach. Bottoms up.